Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're building power in our legs with a super fun yoga flow. If you love practicing with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our yoga family grow. Ready to make your legs strong and powerful? Let's begin. Stand tall with both feet grounded, legs straight, arms relaxed by your sides, chest open, shoulders soft, looking forward with a calm gaze. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. Front knee bent, back leg straight, hips facing forward, arms reaching up. Alternate between left and right. Step your feet wide. Bend the front knee and extend your arms sideways at shoulder height. Look over the front hand. Repeat on left and right sides. Stand on one leg, lean forward slightly, extend the back leg straight behind while keeping a soft bend in the standing knee. Arms can stay by the sides. Repeat on both sides. Front knee bent, front elbow resting lightly on thigh, top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Stand with legs wide. Fold forward from the hips, hands on the floor or legs straight and strong. Lie on your back, bend your knees, press your feet into the mat, and gently lift your hips while keeping your head relaxed. Sit with legs lifted in a V shape, arms reaching forward, back straight, core strong and steady. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Before we finish, let's sit comfortably and take a gentle 30-second breathing break. Breathe in power, breathe out softness. Let your legs relax and feel proud of all the strength you built today. Amazing job! You were so strong today. Your legs must be super proud of you. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next yoga adventure, yoga buddies. Namaste.